Rosalba Carriera was born January 12, 1673, died April 15, 1757. She was a Venetian Rococo painter. In her younger years, she specialized in portrait miniatures. Carriera would later become known for her pastel portraits, helping popularize the medium in 18th-century Europe. She is remembered as one of the most successful women artists of any era. Carriera was the first female painter to initiate a new style in the art community. The Rococo style emphasized the use of pastel colors, spontaneous brush strokes, dancing lights, subtle surface tonalities and a soft, elegant and charming approach to subject matter. She was known for dragging the sides of white chalk across an underdrawing of darker tones to capture the shimmering texture of lace and satin. She was also able to highlight facial features and the soft cascades of powdered hair. Because of her, artists created work in the style for nearly a century. Carriera was not just a portrait painter, even though that was her subject matter of choice due to her profession. She also created a few allegorical pieces, including the four seasons, the four elements and the four continents. These allegories were represented by beautiful, nymph-like and barely clothed women holding symbols that referenced the meaning of the piece.